know that up to 80% of your domestic wastewater is recyclable? Your wastewater from kitchen sinks, dishwashers, and washing machines can be diverted, treated through a filtration system, and be utilized in residential, commercial, and agricultural settings. The processes of the wastewater treatment plant have been specifically designed by civil engineers to mimic the Earth's natural water purification processes. Some of the key elements of this involve screening of water to remove land objects, degradation of biological content through aerobic digestion and biofiltration, and finally, disinfection by a reagent such as chlorine or through the use of ozone or UV light. Your commitment to responsible water use will improve the lives of many others by mitigating against water scarcity through reducing demands on fresh water supply and minimizing the upstream energy and environmental costs. The Global Water Partnership Caribbean is committed to supporting communities like yours with management of their wastewater